Hello, this video will show you how to access the parent portal on the MyEdBC site. This site is where you will access your child's report card and attendance details. Parent accounts will be created for each parent or legal guardian who has supplied the school with their email. To begin the process, look for an email sent from sysadmin@myeducation.gov.bc.ca. If you do not receive an email, please check your junk file first and then contact your child's school to verify that the email address they have on file is correct. The email you receive should look something like this. You will be provided with a username and a temporary password. The first time you log into the parent portal, you will then be asked to create a new password that only you know. After that, you'll be prompted to change your password every 3 months. Before you log into the parent portal account, make sure you have enabled pop-ups on the internet browser you're using. If you're not sure how to do this, search it up by typing in something like "how to enable pop-ups" on Google Chrome or whatever browser you're using. Once you have enabled pop-ups, go to www.myeducation.gov.bc.ca/Aspen to log into the parent portal. Enter the username and temporary password you were provided with in the email that came to you. Remember that both the username and the password are case sensitive. If you log in correctly, the first thing you'll be prompted to do is to reset or create a new password, following the guidelines. So click the OK button here. It's going to start by asking you for your current password. What this actually means is the temporary password that you were given. So enter that first. And then come up with a new password following the password requirements here. And enter it a second time. If you've done everything correctly, then you'll be asked to set and answer a security question. Make sure it's a question that you can remember easily so that you don't forget it. Once you've entered the answer in twice, click Submit. When you are safely logged into the parent portal, it should look something like this. There are several areas that you should know about. Underneath your name, there's a Set Preferences area. This is where you would go if you ever need to change your password or security question. Down here where it says Published Reports, this is where your child's reports will show up once the school has published them. Once the reports are here, you can click on them to open and view them. You can also print them out, although the steps for doing that will vary depending on the type of computer you're using. Up here, underneath the Family tab, you'll see all of the children that you have that attend schools in West Vancouver. If one of your children is missing from this area, please contact the office at that child's school to have them added onto the list. To move between areas of this site, please use the tabs at the top. Remember, when you're finished, go over to the far right and log off. We hope this video has been helpful.